Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making Spätzle, a European style noodle that's used a lot in German, Austrian and Hungarian dishes. To make Spätzle you'll need half a cup of milk, 2 cups of plain flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, tablespoon of chopped parsley and 6 eggs. Start off by mixing the flour, nutmeg and parsley together. Once they are combined, begin adding the milk and eggs alternately until you have a smooth batter. Allow the batter to rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Boil a pot of well-salted water. When the batter is ready, using either a colander or a cheese grater, push the batter through to the boiling water to make the Spätzle. It's done when it rises to the top. You can use a slotted spoon to retrieve the done Spätzle and to drain it. Now to make the sauce. You'll need a 1/4 cup of butter. Melt the butter in a pan over medium heat. Add the Spätzle directly to the butter and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, then it's ready for serving. For November, I'm making noodle dishes and posting shorts every day, so check out the playlist in the upper right corner. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe to my channel, or even post a comment down below. Thanks for watching.